Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, you are not going to want to miss today's show. All eyes on XRP as its biggest breakout in history looms. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, if you've been in this digital asset space for any time at all, I'm sure that you're recognizing that there seems to be a high level of anticipation for something major to take place in this digital asset space over the next few days and weeks. And on top of that, some of these technical analysis folks that are coming out with some major conjecture is really boosting the anticipation in a big way. And guys, we're going to take a look at them today, and I'll tell you what, some of them are going to blow your socks off. Now, guys, just take a look at this first article right over here. Look at this title. Expert shares XRP historical shakeout pattern that could initiate a 105,000% rally. Wow. Just listen to this. Discussions around XRP have intensified. That's that anticipation we're talking about, particularly due to the recent concluded legal battle between Ripple, the San Francisco-based cross-border payment firm, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Brett Crypto X, a well-known figure in the XRP community, recently shared a technical analysis of XRP's price chart, bolstering the speculation of an impending XRP surge. Well, guys, he's not the only one that's out there doing that. We have heard this from a number of them, in fact, talking about how it had mirrored 2017. Now, what he's saying, the primary focus of his analysis is a crucial triangle pattern, and this is the one that we have all seen that XRP has been trapped in within the last 6 to 7 years. Now, this pattern is a classic technical analysis formation that occurs when an asset's price movements become progressively narrower, leading to a point of convergence. In XRP's case, this triangle pattern has been developing over several years, beginning in January of 2018, following XRP's all-time high of $3.84. Literally January 4th of 2018 is when that happened. What's really amazing is that a year later to the day on January, or a year prior to the day, January 4th, 2017, it was only 0.006. Man alive. Can you imagine? Wow. Now, the triangle pattern in question has two converging trend lines. The bottom trend line was established by a decline in XRP's price from its all-time high. The upper trend line was formed by a subsequent surge in price in April of 2021, when the XRP hit $1.96. As these two trend lines approach convergence, XRP has been consolidating within the triangle, a phenomenon the chart highlighted as a shakeout period, and boy has it ever. Now, in 2017 to 2018, we went through the same thing, guys. And if you were to even go back and look at a lot of the Reddit posts, look at a lot of what people were saying, it is the same sentiment back then. And a heap of people got shaken out just before it literally absolutely shot off and could have changed their lives, no doubt, forever. Now listen to this. Technical analysis often interpret the formation of such a triangle pattern as an indication of a pending breakout. The direction and magnitude of the breakout are typically uncertain until the price definitively moves beyond one of the trend lines. However, the historical context and specifics of this pattern have led some to predict that XRP may experience a significant upward movement, potentially leading to a new all-time high, and get this, of $600. Now, guys, here's the tweet right here from Brett Hill. The long-awaited breakout from the 2018 to 2024 triangle pattern is imminent. If this pattern breaks, we could be in for a wild ride with the potential to see XRP reach an astounding $600. This could be just like the incredible breakout we witnessed between 2013 and 2017, which propelled XRP to new all-time highs. Are you ready for the ride of a lifetime? Buckle up and get ready for an exhilarating journey with XRP. And guys, here is his chart right there. And as you can see, this is when it 2013 came up, came back down there, 2014, back up 2015, consolidated in a triangle. And the shakeout that was going on here, guys, you can absolutely go back and you can see the capitulation that was going on. And then all of a sudden, bang, it just shot off. Now, what he's saying is, hey, we're in the same kind of deal. Back up here, right down here, 2014, right up here, 2018 at the very beginning, bang back down like that. Boom, up again, right here, back down to here. And where are we at, guys? We are right at the pinnacle. And what he's saying is this thing could fire off. And to see a percentage increase like we did before, it could literally be mind-numbing. That's what he's pointing out now. A key aspect of the current analysis is the comparison between the ongoing triangle pattern and a similar pattern that occurred between 2013 and 2017, as we just saw. During that period, XRP experienced prolonged consolidation phase, followed by a breakout that propelled the asset to its 2018 peak. The similarities between the two patterns have fueled optimism among some analysts and investors who believe that XRP could follow a similar trajectory soon. Guys, this is big. Now, I want to show you another one right over here. And look at this title. XRP, all eyes on $1 XRP as biggest breakout in its price history looms. So they're not saying that the dollar will be the biggest breakout, but that we're looking at that as a target in order to absolutely springboard into the biggest breakout in its price history. Now listen to this here. Ripple's cryptocurrency XRP recently garnered community attention after registering a 30% rally in July of 2024, signaling aggressive buying by the bulls. This was XRP's largest monthly return since July of 2023, a whole year later. And that's, of course, when Judge Analyst declared XRP as being a non-security. Now, a popular trader has identified a pattern on XRP's chart that suggests the coin is primed to explode higher. Now, XRP, it has seen a significant rebound in its price following Ripple's recent win against the United States Securities Exchange Commission. In the long-running feud between the crypto giant and the securities regulator, XRP has jumped by over 3% over the past week, with its current price sitting at around 57 cents. Now, a technical analysis of XRP's monthly chart shows an emerging bullish triangle pattern. This is a popular technical analysis chart formation, like we had just read, that helps these traders gauge market sentiment. Well, here is Steph is Crypto, and this is what he's pointing out. XRP is gearing up for the biggest breakout in its entire price history on the monthly. Guys, we are seeing confluence after confluence. He is not the only one, like we had just said. Now, normally we get on here, Dark Defender or eGreg Crypto, but I thought it would be vitally important for you to see other TA guys who are out there and they're literally singing the same tune. Now, here we have some pundits often criticize such technical chart patterns as unreliable, as past performance is no guarantee of future returns. Well, I mean, nobody knows what the future holds, but I'll tell you what, every single time that we look back into the past, and that's what all technical analysis does, guys, they have seen pattern after pattern, and history doesn't repeat, but boy, does it ever rhyme. Now, nevertheless, it's hard to ignore. With so many enthusiasts believing in the charts, the bullish breakouts often become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Now, if we literally see a move like we saw in 2017 and it goes up to some of those numbers, I think it is going to be mind-numbing. In fact, I don't believe most people, even that are vigilant in this space, really have an easy time digesting those numbers. I know for me, it even is difficult sometimes to imagine it hitting those prices. But I'll tell you what, guys, you can never underestimate this space. In that last run for Judy and I, we saw some of these assets literally go over 10,000%. You had got it a 100x. Some of them that we were buying literally at pennies and even under the pennies that shot off into multiple dollars. Truly phenomenal, and it revolutionized our lives. So I've been there. I've seen it happen. And as mesmerizing as it is, as it doesn't hardly make even any common sense, I've watched it happen. And so therefore, I literally can see there is that potential. And I'll tell you what, boy, as Judy and I, like I say, got our ticket and we are ready for that ride. Just like Brett was saying there, we are buckled up. Now, guys, I want to show you one more article. Bullish signals amidst mixed sentiment. While XRP's price action has shown signs of hesitation among investors, there are underlying bullish signals that suggest potential for upward momentum. Now, the topic of this article, look at the title here. XRP's bullish momentum grows as whales accumulate and technical patterns align. Now, guys, ask yourself, here we are getting fudded out over a few hundred, maybe a few $1,000 that we're putting in. These whales, they are literally buying millions upon millions of these tokens. Now, do you think that they're doing that, believing that they're going to lose those millions and millions? Guys, we know that's not the case. In fact, do you think it's retail that is moving this market, the billions of dollars of trading volume a day? Guys, we know it's not. It's institutions and major wallets, and we know that because we can see the open ledgers and the accumulation, and that's how they can say that. Now, a lot of folks come out and say, well, if the whales are accumulating like that and they see this potential down the road, then why, oh why, isn't the price moving now? Well, guys, go out there on Investopedia, and I want you to research something called over-the-counter trading. It happens in the traditional markets, and it is certainly happening in these markets, and it's a way in which a lot of these whales and these big players accumulate without moving the price. Because do you think that they want to start throwing their millions in there and just pump the price so that by the time they're done it's costing them millions? No, of course not. They want to accumulate as much as they can at the lowest price possible. And this is where market makers come in and over-the-counter trading. Go research that. But I'll tell you what, guys, listen just down here. The steady decline in XRP supply on exchanges is a key bullish indicator. It signals reduced selling pressure as investors increasingly move their tokens off exchanges and into private wallets. The behavior often points to accumulation, indicating that market participants are holding onto their XRP in anticipation of future price gains. In addition, wallet distribution metrics reveal both mid-size and large holders are increasing their XRP holdings. Notably, wallets holding between 1 million and 100 million XRP have shown significant accumulation over the past weeks. Now, you fathom that. 1 million, bare minimum, you're looking at what? Over $500,000 investment? 100 million? I mean, come on, guys. You're talking about a wallet that's holding over $50 million worth of XRP, and they're still accumulating. I'm going to tell you, for me, that speaks volumes. I can't be a whale. I'm sure most of us can't. So I don't follow their advice. I'm out there. I'm following their behavior. And guys, when I see this kind of accumulation going on, and we're watching that all eyes are on this, and it's gearing up for a major historic breakout, and you're seeing this kind of technical analysis calling for various price moves that would be literally mind-bending should we see them happen, I'll tell you what, I'm paying attention, guys. I am paying attention. And when I think about this, I'll tell you, guys, get out there. I want to encourage you, Go research it for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Look, if I could talk you into it, someone else could talk you out of it. But I will say this much for Judy and I, that decision was made long ago. And we have been accumulating for years with our XRP. And one day, I absolutely believe we are about to see this thing literally shatter records like most people can't imagine. And for the majority of these naysayers that are out there all just fudding it and poo-pooing it, I absolutely believe they're going to be standing on that platform when the train leaves the station, their hands in their pockets, their jaws on the floor, absolutely gobsmacked. So guys, one thing that I can tell you from personal experience is you are going to thank yourself that you took the time to get your plan in place before this next bull run absolutely takes off. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.